In other news tonight, Donald Trump announced he will be in Philadelphia tomorrow for SneakerCon. That's a popular event to buy, sell, and trade sneakers. Now, his visit comes after a New York judge ordered the former president and his companies to pay hundreds of millions of dollars in penalties in a civil fraud trial. CBS correspondent Christian Benavidez has reaction.
Former President Donald Trump vowed to appeal a judge's decision to impose a nearly $355 million penalty against him in a civil fraud case.
A crooked New York State judge just ruled that I have to pay a fine of $355 million for having built a perfect company. Great cash, great buildings, great everything.
Judge Arthur Engoron ruled that Trump, his companies, and some executives were involved in an ongoing scheme to dupe banks and others with financial statements that inflated the former president's wealth. In his ruling, the judge said of Trump and the other defendants, their complete lack of remorse borders on pathological.
And for years, Donald Trump engaged in deceptive business practices and tremendous fraud.
Friday's decision bars the former president from serving as an officer or director for his New York businesses or any New York corporation for 3 years.
It's not a situation where people have lost money, let alone lost lives because of a fraud. He really does have a viable argument that this is a different justice system applying to him and to his business.
Judge Engoron stepped back from an earlier ruling that would have dissolved Trump's New York-based companies altogether.
White-collar financial fraud is not a victimless crime.
New York Attorney General Letitia James sued Trump in 2022 under a state law that authorizes her to investigate persistent fraud in business dealings. Christian Benavidez, CBS News, New York.